Hello guys! Welcome back to another episode of Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share to you how to make a traditional Filipino dessert, the Kalamay Hati. Kalamay Hati is a traditional Filipino rice cake or dessert made from glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, and brown or muscovado sugar. It is a popular delicacy from the Negros provinces and the Visayas region. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 2 cups of muscovado sugar or brown sugar, 2 cans of coconut milk, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. For the latik, we will need 1 can of coconut milk or coconut cream. To make the latik, add the coconut milk in a pan over medium heat. Give it a stir and cook it until it's golden brown. And once it's golden brown, remove it from the heat and drain the oil and set this aside. Now, prepare the bilao that is lined with banana leaves. Grease it with oil from the latik. Then, set this aside. Now, in a pan over medium heat, add the coconut milk. Give it a stir. Add in the salt. And then, add the glutinous rice flour. Mix them together until it becomes thick. And once thick, add the brown sugar and mix them together and cook it until it becomes evenly brown in color. Continue cooking for several minutes until it becomes very thick, just like this. And once done, remove it from the heat and transfer it onto the bilao that is lined with banana leaves. Spread the kalamay hati using a spatula, and to prevent the kalamay to stick onto your spatula, you can grease it with the coconut oil from the latik. Now, top the kalamay hati with the latik. And here's our finished product! Kalamay hati is sweet, sticky, and delicious. I hope you'll give this kakanin a try. Look at that! So yummy! Thank you for watching today's episode. Please don't forget to hit the like and notification bell. See you next time. Bye!